The Mitsubishi Mirage G4 has always stood as a name connected with simplicity, affordability, and long-lasting reliability. This sedan is built for those who want a stylish, comfortable, and dependable car without stretching their budget. At first glance, it may look compact, but its value goes far beyond its size, making it a practical choice for everyday life. From the outside, the Mirage G4 immediately attracts attention with its smart and modern design. The sharp front grille, sleek headlamps, and smooth body lines give it a refined and premium appearance. When seen in jet black, the Mirage G4 carries an even more elegant and bold personality, giving the impression of a much larger sedan. Despite being compact, it holds a confident road presence, which is one of the first reasons why people gravitate toward it. Under the hood, the Mirage G4 is powered by a 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine, paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic. This engine isn't built for raw power. Instead, it focuses on fuel efficiency and cost-saving driving. Its lightweight body and smooth gear shifts make it an easy car to drive, whether it's for city commutes or longer weekend journeys. The Mirage G4 provides a calm and effortless experience behind the wheel, which is exactly what many drivers want in their daily car. But the real magic of the Mirage G4 lies in its fuel economy. This sedan is designed to save every drop of fuel, easily delivering over 20 kilometers per liter. In today's world, where fuel prices continue to rise, this incredible efficiency makes the Mirage G4 one of the smartest choices out there. Step inside, and the Mirage G4 welcomes you with a cabin designed for practicality and comfort. The space is well thought out, offering seating for 5 with decent legroom and comfortable seats. While it doesn't aim to be overly luxurious, the layout is user-friendly and focused on everyday convenience. Higher trims add a touch of modern features, including a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and even a rear-view camera to make parking effortless. It's not about overloading the driver with flashy technology, but rather about providing the right features that make each trip easier and more enjoyable. On the safety side, the Mirage G4 performs well for its class. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, and ISOFIX anchors for child seats. These features ensure peace of mind for both drivers and families who rely on safety as a top priority. Another reason the Mirage G4 is a favorite for many is its low-cost maintenance. It's a car that doesn't demand heavy spending after purchase. Spare parts are affordable and widely available, while routine servicing is inexpensive compared to many other sedans. This makes it not just a budget-friendly purchase, but also a budget-friendly car to own in the long run. The Mirage G4 isn't a car that tries to impress you with speed or noise. Instead, it wins you over with consistency, dependability, and practicality. It becomes a quiet companion in your everyday life, one that you know will always be ready, reliable, and efficient. For families, students, or working professionals, it fits perfectly into a lifestyle where value matters just as much as style. In a market filled with complex and expensive cars, the Mirage G4 stands out by staying true to what really matters: simplicity, efficiency, and trust. It's a sedan that doesn't complicate your life but instead makes it easier, lighter, and more stress-free. So, if you are looking for a sedan that gives you incredible fuel efficiency, easy driving, low running costs, and a smart design all within budget, then the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is the perfect choice. For more car reviews, updates, and automotive insights, don't forget to subscribe to Drive Future Now, where we bring you the real story behind every drive.